Hi everyone, welcome back. I'll continue with part 2 of chapter 1. The recruiter walked out of the conference room to announce the name of the selected candidates. Sadly, only 6 were selected out of a batch of 60 people, and Sneha was one of them. Congratulations, guys, you are the lucky 6. All the best for your face to face discussion. Please be seated while we call out for you, said the recruiter. For freshers, the face to face round is very critical as they are judged on a lot of parameters in this round. Learning ability, analytical skills, and general attitude are the skills on which they are evaluated. On the basis of marks they scored in the technical rounds, they were lined up. Sneha was the last one to go. As the interviews were progressing, she was getting restless, constantly chatting with someone. Can you put your mobile phone on silent mode, please? Requested the receptionist to Sneha. She slipped her mobile phone in the pocket of her skirt and started looking around. After a few minutes, one of the members from the interview panel came out and announced Sneha's name. It was her turn to step into the interview room. Sneha greeted. Hello everyone. Amit and the other interviewer said, Hi Sneha, please have a seat. Amit, how are you? How has been your experience with the process so far? Sneha said, It has been good so far. Amit, so how many steps did you take to reach this office? Sneha, I took the lift from basement 1. Amit, okay, can you solve the given puzzle? Please tell me if you already know. Sneha looked at Amit, smiled, and attempted the puzzle. She solved the puzzle in about 3 to 4 minutes, which supposedly was amazing as per Amit. Amit asked, Why should we hire you? Sneha said, I believe I am the last choice as all of my other friends have already left and I don't think they were able to crack the game. Just to make her talk more, the two interviewers pitched in some more questions. Amit, which was your favorite subject, Sneha? Sneha, I liked all of them, but my favorite during entire engineering course was engineering drawing. Second interviewer, why? Looks like you love drawing. Sneha said, Well, yes, I definitely love drawing, but I had a crush on my graphics teacher. Second interviewer, interesting, but he must be quite older to you. Sneha said, Yes, he is, but it was just a crush. I never wanted to marry him. Amit smiled and informed her that the HR would get back to her. On that, she said, Is it so hard a decision to make? Can't you tell me now? Amit and the other interviewer were spellbound for a moment. Amit said, We have to follow certain protocols and cannot disclose the same now. Don't worry. You will come to know if your name shows in hired. She left the room with a big smile on her face, assuming she was hired. While writing the feedback for her, other interviewer asked Amit, So what's your take? Amit replied, She is technically okay. She will need a lot of time to grasp things. She has a swag. But she is smart. She is glamorous. He asked to comment on the feedback form as we should hire her. The same was communicated to the hiring team. The hiring team is responsible for carrying out the entire process, right from filtering the resume to setting up the panel for interview. Of course, the offers are decided later by the business unit head or the manager who is hiring the candidate. In this case, it was Amit. Processes apart, hiring depends on the destiny and luck as well. So many deserving candidates get rejected for some trivial reasons, and candidates not fitting requirements get hired for some hot positions. Some candidates get rejected because of conflicts between the hiring team and interviewers or conflicts between the interviewers. In spite of some negative comments from HR and other managers about her attitude, Sneha was hired, as Amit had a bigger say. She will add a lot of glamour and become a motivation. Also, we should hire other 5 freshers too. Who will waste time in these interview processes? It is better we hire what we have right now, mold them the way we want. Whoever performs well will be absorbed any which ways, said Amit. The statement, she is glamorous, traveled faster than light and hit every cube in the office. Amit should not have used that word even if it was an informal forum for discussion, said Supriya. Supriya was a part of Amit's team. Nevertheless, Sneha, along with others, was hired. Most of the men in the team were happier about her hiring news than the one who referred her. Everybody now was looking forward for Sneha's joining date.
I know you are curious to know what happens to Sneha, right? I know you must be thinking what happens when she joins the organization. Hold on, hold on until the next session. Okay, we will figure it out on the next Sunday what happens to her. Okay, till then, stay safe, stay at home, and stay entertained. Thank you so much.